What's up? Might seem like I try to spend a lot of money, but I really don't mean to. I guess you could just say that I'm pretty good at it. What's up, YouTube? So behind me is my 2015 Subaru WRX STi Limited. I've had this car for almost 2 years now, but I haven't done a proper video on it like I did my Honda Grom. This will sort of be that video, but more of an unboxing of the new wheels I just got for it. I picked up a new set of wheels and tires because last winter I got stranded at my friend's house for like 3 days. I'm running Dunlop Sport Maxes, which come stock on the BBSs, and they're just not good at all in any kind of ice, snow, any kind of winter weather. So let's see what these things look like. Pretty good for winter wheels. So these are the Motegi Racing Traklite. I'm not a big fan of like fancy wheels or anything like that. I don't know much about wheels, but I know there's a ton of them out there and there's so many different brands and everything. The reason I went with these is because they're 5-spoke, so in the winter it'll be easy to keep ice and snow out of there rather than the BBSs that I have on my car right now. Also, these are way lighter, so if I decide to get back into autocross in the summertime, I can throw these on and might help my time just a little bit. Time to get the car off the ground and the wheels on the car. Alright, wheels are on this side of the car. The only problem is I've been running 20mm parent spacers for the stock BBSs, so I think once I drop this back to the ground, I'm gonna have clearance issues. I'll bring it in for a closer look. So as you look from the front of the car, you can tell that these wheels are a lot wider than my BBSs. However, I don't think it's gonna cause that much of a problem. I'm gonna tighten these down, throw them on the other side, and then take it for a spin. Alright, wheels look good in my opinion. Tires seem pretty good. They're smooth and they got a lot of tread, so I'm hoping they're gonna be pretty good in the winter. The only thing is when I'm driving, the back end definitely rubs, so I'm either gonna have to pull the spacers off and give it a little bit less aggressive look, or find someone locally who can roll fenders. I ran out of daylight outside, so I can't really do any more artsy shots or anything like that, but if you wanna see a full video of everything that I've done to this car since I've owned it, leave this video a thumbs up and I can do that in the future. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.